Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox using your computer. If I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Okay? So now once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. And now, click on the Settings button at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings. Now here you can see the security options. So just go ahead and click on that. And now here you can see the two-step verification section. So as you can see on my account, I use the Authenticator app because it is very secure. Okay, so if you use this method, just go ahead and turn this switch off by clicking on it. And now just need to type your PIN. So if you turn off two-step verification, your account will be less secure and only your password will be needed for actions like logging in. So if you're sure about it, just go ahead and click on confirm. Okay. So now the two-step verification is turned off. Okay. So now when you use the email secure, just go ahead and click on the switch button. If you use the security keys, and again, just go ahead and click on the switch button. Okay. So now that the two-step verification is turned off, you can now just go ahead and do whatever you want to do with your account. Okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.